You're searching for flights online. You find the one you want. But the price? $1,700 for economy. You refresh. You try a different site. You even go incognito. But the price stays high. Here's the truth. There's a better way to book flights. A smarter way. In this video, I'll show you the real secrets travel pros use to book cheap flights. The same tricks that help them save hundreds every time they fly. Let's take off. First, why are flight prices so crazy? No. Airlines don't raise the price just because you searched. That's a myth. What's really happening is this. Airlines use something called dynamic pricing. That means prices change all the time, based on demand, time, and how many seats are left. A flight might cost $400 today, and $600 2 days later. Different websites also show different prices. That's because of commissions and how they store flight data. So how do you beat the system? Keep watching. Want the best price? You have to book at the right time. Here's the rule of thumb. For international trips, book 2 to 6 months ahead. For domestic flights, book 1 to 3 months ahead. And for holidays or busy seasons, even earlier. Also, some days are cheaper to fly, like Tuesdays and Wednesdays. Flying out midweek and returning early in the week can save you big. The earlier and more flexible you are, the better the deal you'll find. Want to save even more? You need to stay flexible. Let's say you want to fly to Europe in July. Instead of searching exact dates, try this. Search for the whole month using Google Flights. Use the Explore map to see where it's cheapest to fly. Try nearby airports. Flying into Milan might be cheaper than flying into Rome, and don't forget, sometimes booking 2 one-way tickets on different airlines is cheaper than a round trip. Tools like Kayak show you those hidden combos. Let's talk about the tools the pros use. Google Flights. Fast, simple, and perfect for price tracking. Skyscanner, great for searching everywhere. Hopper, tells you if you should wait or book now. Flight Connections, shows every route from any airport. ITA Matrix, powerful for advanced searches and tricks. Set price alerts so you don't miss a deal. Let the tools do the work for you. Now for the advanced stuff. Hidden City Ticketing. Book a flight that passes through your destination and just don't board the last leg. Only do this with one-way tickets and no checked bags. Use foreign websites. Check the same flight on Skyscanner Italy or Expedia India. Sometimes it's cheaper. Pay in local currency. Booking with the airline's native currency can save you money. Sign up for mistake fare alerts. Websites like Secret Flying and Going share insane deals, like $200 round trip to Japan. And always check budget airlines directly. Ryanair, Wizz Air, AirAsia. They don't always show up in search engines. Even if you don't travel often, frequent flyer programs can save you money. Sign up, it's free. Use a travel rewards credit card. Earn miles through online shopping, hotels, or car rentals. You can later use those miles to fly for free, or upgrade to business class. Use tools like Point.me to find the best ways to spend your points. Sometimes a $2,000 flight is just 60,000 points away. Let's recap. Book at the right time. Be flexible with dates and airports. Use the best tools. Learn the tricks. Join rewards programs. Smart travelers don't just get lucky, they plan smart, and they save big. If you learned something today, hit subscribe. More travel tips, flight hacks, and destination ideas are on the way, right here on The Travel Perk. Thanks for flying with us. See you next trip.